What is a password manager? How it works and why you need one. What is a password manager and should you actually trust it? If you're tired of remembering passwords, a password manager might be the simplest solution. Quick overview of password managers. A password manager stores and manages your passwords securely so you don't have to remember them all. It helps you create, save, and use passwords across different accounts. How password managers help. Most people either reuse passwords or choose ones that are easy to remember, but reused and easy to remember passwords are easy to hack. When you use the same password everywhere or short and predictable passwords, you put your accounts at risk. If one account gets hacked, attackers can try that same password on your other accounts. This is called credential stuffing or reuse, a major security risk. What a password manager does. A password manager does three main things: stores your passwords securely, generates strong, unique passwords, fills them in automatically when you log in. Instead of remembering dozens of passwords, you only need to remember one. How a password manager works. Here's how password managers work behind the scenes. You create one master password. The master password is the only password you need to remember. Your passwords are encrypted. A password manager turns passwords into unreadable code and stored in a secure vault. Most use strong encryption, so only you can access your data. A password manager auto-fills your logins. When you visit a site, it can automatically fill in your username and password. While you can still rely on your memory to keep track of your passwords, a password manager makes it easier for some people. Using a password manager examples. Here's how password managers help in real life. Example: logging into apps. No more typing or resetting passwords. Password managers log in instantly. Example: creating new accounts. Password managers generate a strong password for you automatically. Example: switching devices. A password manager helps your passwords sync across your phone, laptop, and tablet. Why password managers help. Password managers can make your accounts both safer and easier to use. They allow strong, unique passwords without needing to remember them all. Common password manager concern. Is a password manager safe? One common concern is putting all your passwords in one place. Because everything is encrypted, even if someone accessed the data, they couldn't read it without your master password. Encryption keeps stored passwords unreadable without the key. Best practices. To use a password manager safely, create a strong master password. Enable two-factor authentication. Don't reuse your master password anywhere else. Quick recap. A password manager stores your passwords securely, creates strong passwords, logs you in automatically. Common mistake. One common password manager mistake is choosing a weak master password. If that's weak, everything else becomes vulnerable. For a full guide and setup tips, check out the link below. And if this helped, consider liking the video and subscribing for more simple tech help. SimpleTech help. Tech made simple.